In this short tutorial I will show you how to get a horse in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King. This is the mount for the humans. I also have this one which is brown, Pinto, yes, and this is the level 40 horse, another level 40 horse and another level 40 horse which is much faster than the level 20. So I'll show you how to get this mount for humans, and not only that, but I'll explain to you how to get it if you are a different race like dwarves, gnomes, night elves and so on. So if you are a human, you can come here and purchase it right away. I'll show you the location at the end. But if you are a different race like a gnome, you will have to press U as in umbrella. This reputation tab will come up, and at Alliance you'll find here Stormwind. You will have to get the Stormwind reputation up to Exalted before you can purchase their mount. And to get the reputation to Exalted, you will have to come here at the low levels in Elven Forest to do quests from humans, which will also gain you honor points, and in this way you'll get reputation to Exalted. Now if you're a human, this is a different story. You can purchase it right away. Let's talk to the trainer first. The level 20 horse training costs 3 gold and 60 silvers, and the level 40 costs 45 gold. Now you'll also have to buy this mount. You'll have to speak with this lady. The level 20 horse costs 90 silvers, and the level 40 horse, which is much faster, costs 9 gold. Alright, and as I promised you, let me show you now the location on the map. I'm located right here in Elven Forest and also in Eastern Kingdoms right here. So this is where you can buy the horse mount, the human mount in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thank you a lot for watching.